Welcome everyone to 10 Minutes Math. This is Pure Mathematics B1, January 2020, WMA 1101. Let us start the first question. Find in simplest form integration of 8x cubed divided by 3 minus 1 over 2 square root of x minus 5. So the integration is 8 over 3 x over 3 minus half x minus half minus 5, all of them is dx. It's equal to 8 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 4 x over 4 minus half multiplied by 1 divided by 1 plus minus half multiplied by x minus half plus 1 minus 5x plus c. So it's equal to, this one with this one is equal to 2 over 3 x over 4. Now let us find this value. 1 divided by 1 minus half, it's equal to 2 multiplied by half, it's equal to minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by x power half minus 5x plus c. So it's equal to 2 over 3 x power 4 minus square root of x minus 5x plus c. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another one. Now, given y is equal to 3 power x, express each of the following in terms of y. Write each expression in its simplest form. 3 power 3x. So this is A. We have y equal to 3 power x. Now, 3 power x is equal to 3x power 3. So it's equal to y cubed. This is the answer of the first part. Now B, 1 divided by 3x minus 2. It's equal to 1 divided by 3 power x multiplied by 3 minus 2. So it's equal to 1 divided by y multiplied by 3 minus 2. So it's equal to 9 divided by y. 9 divided by y. And this is the answer of this question. Now the last part is C, 81 divided by 9, 2 minus 3x. So this is C. We have 81 divided by 9, 2 minus 3x. 2 minus 3x. So it's equal to 81, 9 power 2 divided by 9, 2 minus 3x. So it's equal to 9 power 2 minus 2 minus 3x. So it's equal to 9 power 2 minus 2 plus 3x. So this 2 is this 2, so it's equal to 9 power 3x. It's equal to 3 power 2 over all 3x. So it's equal to 3 power 6x. It's equal to 3x power 6. So it's equal to y power 6. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another one. Figure 1. Show part of the curve whose equation y equal to x squared plus 3x minus 2. The point B, 3 and 16 lies on the curve. Find the gradient of the tangent to the curve at B. tangent to the curve mean dy by dx. So the gradient of tangent of the curve mean dy by dx at point 3 and 16. So part A, y equal to x squared plus 3x minus 2. So dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3. So dy by dx at point B, 3 and 16 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3, so it's equal to 9. So gradient M, which is equal to dy by dx, is equal to 9. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead. Now the point Q with x coordinates 3 plus h also lie in the curve. Find in terms of h the gradient of the line PQ. Write your answer in the simplest form. xq is equal to 3 plus h. 3 plus h. And the curve y is equal to x squared plus 3x, x squared plus 3x minus 2, minus 2. So now yq is equal to 3 plus h squared plus 3 plus h minus 2. So it's equal to 9 plus 6h plus h squared plus 9 plus 3h minus 2. So it's equal to h squared plus 9h. Now this is 18 plus 16. This is the y coordinate of q. So q is equal to 3 plus h and h squared plus 9h plus 16. Now b. We know b is equal to 3 and 16. 3 and 16. Now the gradient MBQ is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it's equal to h squared plus 9h plus 16 minus 16 divided by 3 plus h minus 3. So it's equal to h squared plus this 16 with this 16, this 3 with this 3, h squared plus 9h divided by h. So it's equal to h plus 9. So the gradient MBQ is equal to h plus 9, and this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another one. Now explain briefly the relationship between the answer to B and the answer of A. So part C. MBQ at h equal to 0, MBQ is equal to 9, which is equal to M tangent to the curve. Okay. Let us go ahead to another question. Now we have this shape. Figure 2 show plan view of the house ABCD and lawn ABCDE. Now ABCD is rectangle with AB equal to 16. So ABCD rectangle and AB is equal to 16. So this is 16 and the total here is 16. ABCOA is a sector of a circle center O with radius 12 meters. So this is 12 meters, which is the radius, and from here to here it's 12 meter, which is the radius. The total here all is 16. So the remaining here, this part, is equal to 4. Okay. Now, the point O lie on the line DC as shown in figure 2. Show that the size of AOD, the size of angle AOD is 1.231 radian to the 3 decimal place. We have DO is equal to 16 minus 12 is equal to 4 meters. So cosine of angle AOD is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse, so 4 divided by 12. So cosine AOD is equal to 4 divided by 12. So from here, AOD, angle AOD is equal to cosine inverse 4 divided by 12. So shift radian 4. Now shift cosine minus 1, 4 divided by 12. So 1.231. So angle AOD is equal to 1.2309. So it's equal to 1.231 radian. Now second part. The line ABCDA is shown in the shaded in figure 2. Find the area of the line in meters squared to 1 decimal place. You need this area, the shaded area. This shaded area is the area of the whole sector OAC O minus the area of the triangle AOD. To find the area of the triangle, we need to find the DA. So let us start to solve. Now, triangle AOD. For this triangle, AD is equal to square root of 12 squared minus 4 squared. So AD is equal to square root of 12 squared minus 4 squared. So 8 square root of 2. 8 square root of 2 meters. So now area of triangle is equal to triangle AOD is equal to half multiply 8 square root of 2 multiplied by 4. So it's equal to 16 square root of 2. Now the sector. The whole sector, this angle, which is the angle of the sector, which is whole this angle, which is equal to pi plus the angle that we calculated here, which is 1.231. So the angle of the sector, angle AOC is equal to 1.231 plus pi. So it's equal to 1.231 plus pi. 4.373. Now area is equal to area of sector AOC minus triangle AOD. R squared theta minus the area of the triangle, which is 16 square root of 2. So it's equal to half. The radius is 12. The angle, again, pi plus 1.231 minus 16 square root of 2. So the area is equal to, let us find this value. So multiply by 0.5 multiply by 12 squared minus 16 square root of 2. So 292,199. 292.99.199. Here we have one. How many decimal place he need? One decimal place, so 0.2. So it's equal to 292.2 meters square. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another one. Find the perimeter of lawn in meters to one decimal place, which is 16, plus dA, which is 8 square root of 2. So the sector length plus, or the arc length, plus 16 plus A, 8 square root of 2. So let us start to solve. This is part C. Perimeter is equal to the sector AOC, the length, plus 16 plus 8 square root of 2. So it's r theta. This one r theta. So it's 12 multiplied by pi plus 1.231 plus 16 plus 8 square root of 2. So it's equal to, now 12 pi shift pi plus 1.231 plus 16 plus 8 square root of 2. So 79.785. 79.8.78. How many decimal place he need? One decimal place, so it's equal to 79.8 meter. And this is the answer of this part. Let us go ahead to another question. Now find, using algebra, all the solution 20x power 3 minus 50x squared minus 30x equal to 0. So this is part A. 20x power 3 minus 50x squared minus 30x is equal to 0. So 10x, the remaining 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. And then 10x multiplied by, let us bring our calculator. So equation 5 to 3. Now 2 enter, minus 5 enter, minus 3 enter. So x minus 3, so here x minus 3 multiplied by minus half, so 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So 10x is equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 0, x equal to 3, x equal to minus half. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another part. Now, hence, find the real solution of 20x plus 3 power 3 over 2 minus 50x plus 3 minus 30x plus 3 power half. So here is x, okay, and here x plus 3 power half multiplied by 30 multiplied by 30. Let us put x is equal to 3 y plus 3 power half. So to start to solve this part, this is part B. What we will do now, we will add x equal to y plus 3 power half. So now what is the situation? The equation will be again 20x power 3 minus 50x squared minus 30x is equal to 0, which is the same equation here in the top. So we can add now y plus 3 power half is equal to 0. So from here y plus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 3. The second part, y plus 3 power half is equal to 3. So y plus 3 is equal to 9. So from here y is equal to 6. Now y plus 3 power half is equal to minus half. So from here y plus 3 is equal to 1 over 4 and y is equal to minus 1 over 4 minus 3, 0.25. 0.25 minus 3 minus 11 over 4. Here this part will give us here 0. So 0 power half is equal to 0. Here 6 plus 3 is equal to 3 square root of 3. Here it gives us minus 11 over 4 plus 3 power half equal to minus 1 over 4 power half. So this solution is wrong. So reject this solution. So y was equal to minus 3 and 6. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another one. Now the line L1 has equation 3x minus 4y plus 20 is equal to 0. The line L2 cut the x-axis at r 8 and 0 and is parallel to L1. Find the equation of L2, writing your answer in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a and b and c are integer to be found. Now the line L1 is parallel to the line L2 is parallel to the line L1. So the gradient, which is dy by dx of L1, is equal to the gradient of the line L2. So the line L1, this is part A. Line L1, we have the equation 3x minus 4y plus 20 is equal to 0. So we can write the equation minus 4y is equal to minus 20 minus 3x. So y is equal to plus 3 over 4x plus 5. So the gradient of L1 is equal to 3 over 4, which is the gradient of L2. So we find the gradient of L2. Now the line L2 cut x-axis in this point. So this point now is lie on L2. Let us now, which is R 8 and 0. So point R, which is 8 at 0, at L2. So the equation of L2y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to 3 over 4x plus c. Now at R, 0 is equal to 3 over 4 multiplied by 8 plus c. So 2, 6, so c is equal to minus 6. So the equation y is equal to 3 over 4x minus 6. let us multiply by 4, so 4y is equal to 3x minus 24. So the equation will be 3x minus 4y minus 24 is equal to 0. We bring this one here. So this is the equation of L2. Now the line L1 cut x-axis at B and y-axis at Q. Given that PQRS is parallelogram, find the area of PQRS, the coordinate of S. Now this is a situation. This is L1, cut y-axis at Q and cut x-axis here at B, and L2 is parallel to L1 and he cut x-axis here at 8 and 0 is equal to 3 over 4x plus 3 over 4x plus 5. 3 over 4x plus 5. So Q at Q, y equal to 5, x equal to 0. So this coordinate of this point, 0 and 5. Point B, the y coordinate is equal to 0. So at B, y is equal to 0. So 3 over 4, x is equal to minus 5. So from here, x is equal to minus 5 multiplied by 4 over 3. So x is equal to minus 20 divided by 3. Minus 20 divided by 3 and 0. Now we need the area of this parallelogram. If I can find the area of this triangle, the upper triangle, I can multiply by 2 to get the whole area of the parallelogram. To find the area of the triangle, I can find the length, the height, which is this one, which is 5, and the whole length here, which is 8. This part is 8, and this part is 20 divided by 3. 20 divided by 3. So the base, half base multiplied by height, give me this triangle. This triangle multiplied by 2 will give us the whole parallelogram. So the area is equal to 2 multiplied by half, height is 5, multiplied by the base, which is 20 divided by 3 plus 8. So the area of the parallelogram, let us find this value. Half was 2, this part was this part. So the remaining is 5 multiplied by 20 divided by 3 plus 8. Now the last part, which is C, the coordinate of S. We need the coordinate of S. This point S is the intersection of L2, we know L2, and the intersection of this line, which is L3. L3 is parallel to QR. So the gradient of QR is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it's equal to 0 minus 5 divided by 8 minus 0. So it's equal to minus 5 divided by 8. This gradient is the gradient of L3, and we know that this point is lie in only 3. So let us start to solve this part. This is part C. Now, the line QR, gradient M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So gradient M is equal to 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5 divided by 8 minus 0, 0 minus 5 divided by 8 minus 0. So it's equal to minus 5 divided by 8. So for line L3, m is equal to minus 5 over 8. So now y is equal to minus 5 over 8 x plus c. Point P, which is minus 20 over 3 and 0, minus 20 over 3 and 0, lie on this line. So 0 is equal to minus 5 over 8 multiplied by minus 20 divided by 3 plus c. So divided by 4 equal to 2, divided by 4 equal to 5. So c is equal to minus 25 divided by 6. Because this is plus, come this side to negative. So the line L3 equation y is equal to minus 5 over 8x minus 25 divided by x. And this is the equation of line L3. L2 over 4x minus 24 divided by 4. So y is equal to 3 over 4x minus 6. So minus 5 over 8x minus 25 divided by 6 is equal to 3 over 4x minus 6. Let us bring this part here and this part here. So 3 over 4 plus 5 over 8x is equal to minus 25 over 6 plus 6. So from here, x, which is x, the coordinate of s is equal to, let us find this part. Now, minus 25 divided by 6 plus 6. Close the bracket, divided by 3 over 4 plus 5 divided by 8. So the x coordinate is 4 over 3. The x coordinate is 4 over 3. And to find the y, ys, go to any of this equation. So 3 over 4 multiplied by 4 over 3 minus 6. So ys is equal to minus 5. So the coordinate of s is equal to 4 over 3 and minus 5. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another one. Now figure 3 show part of curve C1 with the equation y equal to 3 sine x. 3 sine x. Now where x is measured in the in degrees. The point B and the point Q lie on C1 and are shown in the figure 3. State the coordinate of B and the coordinate of Q. This is the sine curve. Remember, this is our sine curve. So this is part A. We have AI and AB. AI, point B, which is this point. So this point half pi, which is 90, because remember it's a degree. So x is equal to 90 and y is equal to 3 multiplied by 1, because 3 sine. So we have x equal to 90. And y is equal to sine 90 is equal to 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 equal to 3. So the coordinate of B is equal to x 90 and y is 3. Okay, now point Q. Let us go ahead to the curve. We have here this point pi, here 2 pi, here 3 pi. So point Q is equal to 3 pi. So 3 multiplied by 180, which is equal to, let us find this part, 3 multiplied by 180, 540. So point Q 540 degree, and X is equal to 540 and Y equal to 0. And this is point Q. Let us go ahead. A different curve C2 has an equation y equal to 3 sine x plus k, where k is a constant. The curve C2 has a maximum value of 10. So the maximum y value is 10. The point R is the minimum point of C. So the minimum point of C2 is R, with the smallest positive x coordinate. State the coordinate of R. So we need the coordinate of. Now the maximum solution of y is 10. When we have the maximum when sine x is equal to 1. So this is part B. Y maximum at sine x equal to 1. So y maximum is equal to 10. So 10 is equal to 3 sine x plus k. Sine x is equal to 1 maximum. So 10 equal to 3 multiplied by 1 plus k. From here, k is equal to 7. So the equation now, y is equal to 3 sine x plus k. And the k here is equal to 7. So y equal to 3 sine x plus 7. And this is the equation of the y. Now, when it will be negative, let us go to this curve. The x, when it's maximum negative at minus 1. So add 3 over 2 pi. So at x equals 3 over 2 pi, which is equal to, let us find this value. So 3 over 2 multiplied by 180 is equal to 170. So at x is equal to 270 degree. Sine x is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 1 plus 7. So it's equal to 4. So coordinate of the minimum value, which is r, coordinate of r, so r is equal to 270 degree and 4. And this is the answer of this part. Let us go ahead to another question. The straight line L has an equation y equal to k 2x minus 1, where k is a constant. The curve C has an equation x squared plus 2x plus 11. Find the value of k which L does not cross or touch C. So the equation y is equal to k 2x minus 1, and then the curve y equal to x squared plus 2x plus 11. Let us make the two equations equal. So x squared plus 2x plus 11 is equal to k 2x minus 1 plus 2x plus 11 minus 2kx plus k is equal to 0. So x squared plus 2 minus 2kx plus 11 plus k equal to 0. So the curve and the line not cross or touch. So b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. We don't have a solution. So we have a equal to 1, b equal to 2 minus 2k, and c is equal to 11 plus k. 2 minus 2k squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 11 plus k equal to 0. So 4 minus 2 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8k plus 4k squared minus 4 multiplied by 11 plus k equal to 0, divided by 4. 1 minus 2k plus k squared minus 11 plus k equal to 0. So k squared minus 2 minus 1 minus 3k minus 11 plus 1 minus 10 equal to 0. Let us bring our calculator. So 5, 3, 1 enter, minus 3 enter, minus 10 enter, x equal to 5 minus 2. So k equal to 5 and k equal to minus 2 will be bigger than minus 2 and less than 5. And this is the answer of this part. Now, a curve has an equation y equal to 4x squared plus 9 divided by 2 square root of x. Find the x coordinate of the point on the curve at which dy by dx is equal to 0. So this is our y is equal to 4x squared plus 9 divided by 2 square root of x. So y is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2x power 2 minus half plus 9 divided by 2 x power minus half. So y is equal to 2x power here 4 minus 1 equal to 3 over 2 plus 9 divided by 2x power minus half. Let us start to find dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 multiplied by x 3 over 2 minus 1 plus 9 over 2 multiplied by this value which is minus half multiplied by x minus half minus 1. So dy by dx is equal to this part with this part 3x power half plus 9 minus 9 over 4 x minus 3 over 2. So dy by dx is equal to 3 square root of x minus 9 divided by 4 multiplied by 1 divided by x square root of x. dy by dx equal to 0. dy by dx equal to 0. So 3 square root of x minus 9 divided by 4, 1 divided by x square root of x is equal to 0. So let us multiply by x square root of x. So 3 square root of x multiplied by x square root of x minus 9 over 4 is equal to 0. So 3 x multiplied by x squared is equal to 9 over 4. So from here, x squared is equal to 9 over 4 multiplied by 3. So 3 over 4. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 divided by square root of 4. So it's equal to plus or minus square root of 3 divided by 2. Let us go to the question. He said that x bigger than 0. X is bigger than 0. So x bigger than 0. So x is equal to square root of 3 divided by 2. And this is the answer of this question. Let us go ahead to another one. Now, the curve C1 has an equation of x where f of x is equal to 4x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 5 squared. Sketch C1 shown coordinate of any point where the curve touched or crossed the coordinate. Now, the sketch, this is your sketch of the curve. You must attend all these points. Here 3 over 4, here touch at 5, here cut at minus 75. Now, hence or otherwise, find the value of x for which f of 1 over 4x is equal to 0. F of 1 over 4x is equal to 0. So f of x is equal to 0 at x equal to, let us go up here, 3 over 4 and 5. 3 over 4 and 5. So f of 1 over 4 x equal to 0 when x equal to 3 over 4 multiplied by 4 and 5 multiplied by 4. We multiply each x with 4. So x is equal to 3 and 20. And this is the answer of this part, 3 and 20. Now, find the value of the coordinate b such that the curve with equation y equal to f of x plus b pass through the origin. So let us see. Find the value of b. You need b. Now b is equal to 75. Why 75? Because f of x plus b is equal to 0. So f of x here equal to 0 when minus 75 plus b is equal to 0. So from here b is equal to 75. Okay. Why 0? Because at the origin. Why f of x is minus 75? Because he said that the y equal to. Okay. So let us go ahead to the last part. Now, the second curve C2 has an equation y equal to g of x, where g of x of f of x plus 1. Find the simplest form of g of x. You may leave your answer in the factorized form, hence or otherwise find the y intersected of the curve C2. And g of x is equal to f of x plus 1, f of x plus 1, f of x plus 1. So it's equal to 4x plus 1 minus 3 x plus 1 minus 5 squared. So it's equal to 4x plus 4 minus 3 multiplied by x minus 4 squared. So it's equal to 4x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 4 squared. And this is the first part, which is I. The second part, y intersected of g of x. Y intersected means g of 0, which is equal to 4 multiplied by 0 plus 1 multiplied by 0 minus 4 squared. So 1 multiplied by 16, it's equal to 16. So 0 and 16. And this is the answer of this part. Let us go ahead to the last question. The curve has an equation y equal to f of x, where f double dash of x is equal to 6 divided by square root of 3 plus x, x bigger than 0. The point B, 4 and minus 50 lie on the curve, given that f dash of x is equal to minus 4 at B. Find the equation of normal at B. Write your answer in the form of y equal to mx plus c when m and c are constant. M of the curve is equal to f dash of x is equal to minus 4. M perpendicular is equal to minus 1 over m. So it's equal to minus 1 divided by minus 4. So it's 1 over 4. So at point B, so y equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to 1 over 4 plus c, 1 over 4x plus c. So 4 and minus 50. So minus 50 is equal to 1 over 4x multiplied by 4 plus c. So from here, c is equal to minus 51. So the equation of the line y is equal to 1 over 4x minus 51. And this is the answer of this question. The last part, find the f of x. So we have f double dash of x. This is part B. So f dash of x is minus 4 at point 4 and minus 50. So now f dash of x is equal to the integration of f double dash of x dx. So f dash of x is equal to the integration of 6x minus 3 over 2 plus x dx. So f dash of x is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 divided by 1 minus 3 over 2 x minus 3 over 2 plus 1 plus half x1 plus 1 plus c. So it's equal to, so f dash of x is equal to, let us find this value, 6 divided by 1 minus half, 1 minus half, 1.5. 1 minus 1.5, so it's equal to minus 12. Minus 12x minus half. Because here 2 minus half. Plus half x squared plus c. So minus 4 is equal, because f dash of x is minus 4, is equal to, at x equal to 4, minus 12 multiplied by 4 minus half plus half 4 squared plus c. So c equal to, let us find the value of c, minus 4 plus 12 divided by square root of 4, 2, minus 0.5 multiplied by 16. So c is equal to minus 6. Minus 6. So f dash of x is equal to minus 12 x minus half plus half x squared minus 6. Now f of x is equal to the integration of f dash of x dx. So it's equal to the integration of minus 12x minus half plus half x squared minus 6 dx. So it's equal to minus 12 multiplied by 1 divided by 1 minus half x1 minus half plus half multiplied by 1 over 3 x power 3 minus 6x plus m, where m is a constant. So f of x is equal to minus 12 divided by half. So minus 24. Minus 24 x power half plus 1 over 6 x power 3 minus 6x plus m. We have the point which is 4 and minus 50. So minus 50 is equal to minus 24 multiplied by 4 power half plus 1 over 6 4 cube minus 6 multiplied by 4 plus m. So m is equal to 34 divided by 3. M is equal to 34 divided by 3. M is equal to 34 divided by 3. So the equation f of x is equal to minus 24x power half plus 1 over 6x power 3 minus 6x plus 34 divided by 3. And this is the answer of this question, and this is the end of this exam. Good luck. Bye.